ball, Thomas. Give it to Sam so he can make some baskets. Thanks. Okay. Go, Sam. 2 points, Sam. Whoa. Wow, you too, see it, Thomas? Good basketball. You got it.
You got it.
Way to go, Sam. Sam, you're the only basketball player I know who plays with a pacifier in his mouth. Thomas, you want Thomas to play basketball? Way to go, Sam. That's a soccer ball, though. That's not the basketball. That's. Look at you on that car, Thomas. Go. Where are you going?
Make it.
Going to the market?
Go this way.
That way?
Go this